In this tutorial, I just wanted to spend a couple of minutes talking about two of Excel's powerful functions that allows you to do calculations based on what the date is and what the date and time is. With that being the today function, which just simply returns what date it is based on your computer, and the now function, which returns the date and time based on what's in your computer. So to use the today function, all you have to do is do equals today, open parentheses and close parentheses, and it will return what date it is. The now function, as you can see in the formula bar, is just equals to now, open parentheses and close parentheses, and it will return what time it is. But these are extremely powerful because you can calculate things like, for example, days until a deadline, or how much something is overdue. So, for example, you can say deadline when there's 27 days until deadline equals that minus today, as an example. And you have to format this as a number to have it make sense, because you can see there are 320 days for this deadline, for example, or to calculate how much something is overdue. And you can also use different functions on top of these functions to extract pieces from them. So, for example, if you wanted to return just the time from the now function, you can nest this in the mod function, which will return the numbers after the divisor, and have the divisor be 1. And now this will return just the time, though you have to format this in the time. And as you can see, by having mod now 1, we have the time returned for what time it is right now, which in this example is 8:40, 51 seconds. That's an example. You can also use, for example, the hour and the minute function. So I can say, hey, what hour is it? To return the hour, which won't look right with the mod function there, but I can do hour now and have this be a number and not the time, and I can see it is the 20th hour of the day, which in this example is 8 p.m., or the minute function. So these are just a couple of thoughts that you can use to these functions. You can also kind of have like a running calendar and so on and so forth, but being able to have these couple key basic functions under your tool belt to calculate stuff based on the today or the time is very useful. So I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.